Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So today we will be discussing on cat command in Ubuntu or Linux. We use this cat command very frequently for concatenating files or adding the files together or viewing the files data. And so we will be discussing about it and seeing some real life examples of cat command. So first we have to jump into our terminal and we can open our terminal by using a shortcut which I told in my previous videos, and the shortcut was Control Alt and T. I hope you guys remember it clearly. So let me clear the terminal. Okay, I have cleared my terminal. Let me make it big so that you can understand better. Okay, let me print my directories with ls command. Here are my directories. So let me select one of my directories. So I am selecting desktop directory and let me view the files inside the desktop directory. So we have 4 files. Okay, let me create a new file. Okay, so for that we have to write for creating the new file we have to give touch command for it, touch file name. So suppose I have to create 2 files. So one file name is file1.txt and the other is file2.txt. I am click enter, and if I try to view the file I have to give ls command. So here is file1 and file2. Okay, so now we have to edit the file and write something inside it. So for that, first we have to give the operating system to edit the permission to edit the file, right? I have told in my earlier videos that you have to give a specific permission for editing or running a specific file. Okay, so for giving the permission you have to write a command chmod plus x chmod plus x space the file name you want to give the permission. So I want to give the permission to file1.txt. Okay, I want to give the permission to other file also. So I am giving permission to file2.txt also. Okay, file2.txt. So both the files are now accessible and editable. And so now I am going to edit the file. So for editing the file, at first you have to open the file, right? So for opening the file, there is a command which is gedit. Okay, gedit. The command is gedit for opening a file. And I am hitting space and the file name. You should type the file name also. So I want to write on file1. So I am giving file1.txt, and if I hit enter, you will get an interface like a notepad where you can edit and write anything you want. Okay. So suppose I want to write hello world. Okay, hello world 1. So let me copy because I will repeat this. I'm copying it. Okay, so suppose this is hello world 1, this is hello world 2, and the other is hello world 3. So let me save it. Just we are saving it, and let me edit the other file also. gedit file2.txt. Okay, if I hit enter, you will get the same interface like notepad. And here also, let me paste this. So quick. 3 we have done till 3, so here we are giving as 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so what basically cat command does is, if I type cat file1 and space the file name file1.txt, the cat command helps to view the things that are inside that specific file. So inside file1 we have written hello world 1, 2 and 3. So you can view in the terminal your things inside the file. Okay, so let me print file2. What was that? Cat space file name, which is file2.txt. And if I hit enter, you can see hello world 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so I think you guys are clear about the cat command. Now the main thing of cat command, what you can do in cat command is, if you type cat space file name, you want to merge file1.txt. Suppose I want to merge the 2 files. Okay, so I will type file1.txt, and the other file you want to merge is file2.txt. If you write this and hit enter, you can see the file1, which was hello world 1 2 3, has been printed along with file2 4 5 and 6. So basically what you did is you have merged the 2 files. Okay, and now you can do another thing, that is if you want that my things in file1 and my things in file2 will be merged in a single file and will be another file. So you can do is, you can write cat space file name which you want to merge, file1.txt space file2.txt, then you should type an arrow sign, okay, arrow sign, and the file name, which new file name where this file 1 and file 2 will be merged. Okay, so suppose I am writing combine.txt. If I hit enter, now let me try to view the files in the desktop. You can see a new file has been created, which is combine.txt. Okay, combine.txt. So let me view the file. Cat space combine.txt, and if I hit enter, you can see what was in the file 1 and file 2. Everything is merged here. Hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now let me show you how can you suppose here we have created small files and we have written very little things, so that you if you want to search a specific thing from inside a file, or you want to search a specific word inside a file, so how can you do this? You can also do that by the cat command. Okay, so like if you want to, suppose we want to identify the hello world, or we want to sort the hello world. Okay, so how can you do that? You can write cat in the terminal okay, let me clear it. Okay, clear it, clear ls. Okay, now if you type cat combined.txt bar grep color hello. If you hit enter, you can see the files inside the hello world. So combine.txt, here the name which you have mentioned here, it has been highlighted with a specific color. Okay, you can try for other things also, like I want to highlight the word world. Okay, so if I have to change the word here. So the syntax is what? Cat space the file name, and you have to enter a bar space grep and double dash color space the word you want to highlight. Okay, so if you hit enter, you can see WORLD. This word has been highlighted. Okay, so there is another thing in the cat command you can do, that is if you want to display the lines with the numeric values, how can you do that? You can do that by hitting a very simple command, that is cat space dash n space the file name. So our file name is combine dot txt. So if I hit enter, you can see we have got a numeric serial of the lines. Hello 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this there are many more things you have to know about the cat command, but which I have shown in my video that you will use in regular basis. Okay, so we will be discussing more about many other commands in our future video. So thank you for watching my video.